Hello, friend. Welcome back to this channel. I am Chaitanya here, Facebook practitioner and a Facebook coach. And in this video, we will be learning about, do we need to run Facebook likes campaign? Is it necessarily needed to run Facebook likes campaign? All of the things we will be looking into this video. Stay tuned in this video until end, and we will learn a lot about likes campaign. Welcome back. Now, let's understand, why do you need to run a likes campaign? Is it really helpful to run a likes campaign? Now, when you are starting a business, whether you're just starting, you probably think a likes campaign can give you a lot of reach. And it also depends upon, do you have a specific budget which is allocated to run a likes campaign? Or do you really know how to utilize your likes campaigns data with saved with your pixels? Now, many of them think and have a mindset that when you run the likes campaign, it will give you a credibility. It might help you to retarget your people, but that's right in some way. But a lot of them do not utilize the data where people are liking your page. I will reveal all of those in this video. So stay tuned in this video, and we will go phase by phase and understand how to run likes campaign, how to utilize your likes campaign, and why, in which ways you can strategize and use your likes campaign. So first we will start with, why do you need to run a likes campaign? Now here's the point is, now when you run a likes campaign, you are trying to expand your audience. And you know that likes campaign, usually people run with very broad audience so that you capture a majority of the audience. And it's very easy to run, and it also requires less budget. So that's the number one which people mostly use to run likes campaign. The second is, when you run a likes campaign, people know that why and for what reason is your page for, and they also get connected to your page. And when you start posting content on your page, people start noticing your page. That's number two. And number three is, when you have run the likes campaign and people have liked your page, and when they see an ad by your page, that's when it will be more effective to your audience. The second is, whom do you want to run a Facebook ads campaigns? Now, majority of the times, what people do is they start running ads to the broader audience. But what they don't do is, and this is a secret which I'm going to tell you, is they do not make use of their existing audience. Now, you might have run a lot of campaigns previously. Maybe it is a video campaign, a reach campaign. You would have run conversions. You might have run catalog sales. So a lot of campaigns you would have run in previous. A lot of campaigns you would have run in previously. But have you actually used those audience to like your page? Now, most of you would have not. So when you make use of this audience, which is previously captured and run in likes campaign, that becomes more effective, and your audience will resonate with your ads. And it's very easy. When they see an ad by your page, they just have to click on the like, and automatically they follow your page. That's the thing. And the third is, how do we run and likes campaign? So we'll see all of those in step by step. Now let's see and understand, how do you run a like campaign, and how do you utilize your previous audience to run a likes campaign. Let's get onto the screen and see how to use the likes campaign. Now, this is my dashboard here, and you can see I'm in my ads manager. And to run an likes campaign, you need to go ahead and click on create. After you hit on create, you will see these options as an objectives. Now, if your account has spent more, now there is a recent change in the interface. You won't see in the objectives like this. So all of those you will see in a particular line with the just the broader objective, and within that you will see all the campaigns, subcategories of the campaigns objectives. So the interface is changed in Facebook. So if you're seeing this, you can go ahead with this. In case you don't see this, you might find somewhere in the engagement, in the new structure, in the engagements, you can see the Facebook likes campaign. Now let's go with this, and I click on engagements, and when you scroll down below with the engagements, you see post engagements, page likes, and event responses. So here's the thing where you can select the page likes campaign, and you click on it and then click on continue. Now, after you click on continue, you need to give names for your campaigns. So whatever name you want to give the name for the campaign, and then scroll down below, and you can use campaign budget optimization if you want to keep your budget on the campaign level. So I will leave it to you. Based on your budget, you can use it. If you have a tight budget and you want to spend a very small amount of money on the ads, let's say $5 or $10 or 100 rupees or 200 rupees, then you can select on a campaign budget optimization and give your budget. So let's say I want to spend 200 rupees a day. I'll keep it as 200. And then I proceed to the ad set. In the ad set level, you need to target your audiences. Now here's the most important thing which you need to focus on. So you need to select a page. I have my page selected, and then you need to work on your audience. So whichever the audience you want to target, if you're doing the campaign for the first time, go with the audiences and target the audiences. And the second option is you need to target audiences who have already interacted with your ads previously. Now, in order to you make use of that, you need to build custom audiences. To build custom audiences, you need to go to your audiences, like I'm showing you here. Go to your audiences and build your custom audiences. Now, who you want to target is what you need to decide in your audiences. Now, you might also target people who have watched your videos. Probably the time frame you can select, you have 50%, 75%, 90%, 95%. You can select based on that. Or you also can select based on the people who have interacted with your ads. You can also select people who have visited your landing page. So you get a lot of options in the custom audiences, right? So you see, these are the options which Facebook gives you. Based on this, you create a custom audience and you can select that audiences in your ads. Now, this is the best strategy to use. The reason being is because people who have previously interacted with your ads, they will be more bound to like your page, and they can become your targeted audience, right? In the long run, when they see your ad, the chances are higher that they come to you and buy your product or services for whatever ads you are running for, right? So I go to the audience section here in the ad set, and I'll select the audience which I have previously created. Now, like I showed you, you need to create an audience. Let me scroll down here, leave it as it is. Now here you see show more options, and This is where you see your custom audience. Now in this custom audience, you select the audience which you have created. Like I have one already created, I'll select that audience. And then you can proceed to the ads part. And then you have to create a good creative. And if you want to create a video, you can also create a video because that will give you a better results. So you can also create GIFs and put a short description in this primary text, and then give a call to action, which will be a likes, and then you are done. So you just have to publish your campaign after all of this. So in this step, like as we learned, like how to create a campaign, which is likes campaign, and how do you utilize your previous audience data and run a like campaign. That will be more effective, as I have already tested it and it has worked really well for me. And I would suggest you also do the same. And you can also segregate based on your specific custom audiences. Let's say for video, website visitors, and page people who have interacted with your page previously. And there's a lot of other segments which you can choose in the custom audiences. So you can test that and let me know in the comment box which you have tested and how is your result. And if you do that, that will benefit you and it will help you recall the brand value, and will make, and it will also help you to have more signups, more sales for your campaigns. So that is it for today in this video. And if you want to learn anything new in this Facebook ads, do comment below and let me know. I'll come up with that topic next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.